So we got the Miata on the lift. Today's video is about installing these eBay headers. Only reason is because the OEM header is cracked, and it's like in between, like the inside. It has like a massive leak, so he's like, fuck it, let's buy headers. So we're gonna be installing them right now, get a sound clip and see what's up. Let's pop the hood, and then let me see, I think it's like, there's a crack at, you can kind of see it right there. So he didn't want to get it welded, it's just really leaking. So we're just gonna put headers on it. So it looks like the gasket's leaking right there too. It has like massive leak. So let's get these shiny boys in and see how it sounds. So it has a flange right there. Sorry about that, my camera was a little dirty. But it has a flange, and right here it don't. The only one it has is up there, but it's not the same one. So what we're gonna have to do is probably cut it off and get it welded to that. Cut that flange off too and weld that on there too. But gotta see what the owner wants to do, because it's my buddy's car. Gotta weld this div. Alright, so we're gonna cut this boy out, the whole exhaust off. That way it comes off easier. I'm gonna just cut that off and then get that welded straight back. It's gonna be one louder boy. It's gonna get rid of this thing too. Yep. Just cut it. It's trash. I'm gonna get some blast pipes welded to that. Dual pipes. Fun stuff. But yeah, let's get these headers installed. It's a leaky boy too, probably rear main seal from the shifter housing. Just want to do this clutch. Needs a clutch. Well, since they're eBay headers, they don't want to fit correct. So I heard for these headers you have to kind of bore out these little holes, just the bottom ones, just so it can slip in a little better. But I think I might as well just bore these out a little bit more too, just so it fits like easier, because to put them on it's kind of being a pain. So right now I'm just kind of boring them out. Alright, so after so much boring and making the holes a little bit bigger, it's in. So now I just gotta put back the MAF sensor, the air box, put it back how it goes right here. To make it easier, what we did was we loosened the motor mount and lifted the motor up this way, because it was hitting on the steering shaft, which made it super easier. Just if you guys ever run into this issue. But yep, so now let's get everything buttoned up and fire it up. Yep, so right now it's just pretty much open headers. Fire it up. Sounds way better. Fuck. Thing's loud. Really loud. So yeah, had to turn it off real quick. But yeah, it sounds really loud. It's just from the white pipe out. So we're gonna get a pipe welded all the way, like straight pipe back.
I know it's straight pipe. You know straight pipe?
Yeah.
That's just loud as fuck.
Or just put like a muffler, like those ones, those what do you call it? The fart cans. The fart cans.
Oh, fuck no.
But yeah, this thing we got it unregistered, like I said earlier, and so it came with no plates. One thing we did do was put a new ignition switch because it didn't have it. And then now we're just gonna fix the steering column, switch out the steering wheel. But this was a nasty leak, so this was main thing we had to do. So that's it. Fucking little go-kart. He's gonna drive it down to the exhaust shop, get a muffler on it because it's way too loud. I would have took it, but he's driving it dirty, so I ain't trying to get no ticket. Can never forget the masks. But yeah. Shit. God damn. Good luck. Sheesh. So on my car, I stayed because also I need to measure the. Yeah, you can still hear that. I need to measure the inner barrels because I'm gonna get bigger lips. I want to make sure I get something like good for my fenders that I have. But let me pull it in and I'll talk more about it. So yeah, quick little update on my car. No more lip, no more vertex skirts. I'm getting a whole new kit. Putting that in my next video, so stay tuned. I got my trunk wing back installed, the TRD wing. I think it's a Reb, I'm pretty sure it is. But yes, got that installed. I got a little trunks, what do you call it, windshield spoiler, so it looks a little bit cooler, I guess. I also got these Ascara vented fenders that I just painted myself, and I feel like if I want to run these fenders, these wheels are too like tiny, so I want to step up the lip so it can fill in that gap because it looks ugly. I need to have it tight. But yeah, so all that new kit and stuff like that install is going to be next video. For now, I'm gonna just add this and wait till he comes back for the muffler so I can show you guys. But yeah, let me get this measured. Back from the muffler shop, he got that little tip. Oh, damn. Well, that's the end of this video. It needs a clutch. That's why it sounds like it's slipping. Well, they did a good ass job at the muffler shop. Nicely welded all the way back. He added a magnum flow just so it quiets it down because it was too loud. But yeah, I don't know if you guys can hear it in the video, but in person it would sound really freaking loud. But they did a pretty good job. So that ends the video here. If you like, comment, subscribe. Thank you for watching if you got this far. More content soon to come. Thank you.